Information we are say Super 24 TV search akwaba na ya mponsa and the Countryman Songo eba Kumasi Asante Kotoko na obaye no it is getting to over a year ni na amamfo busa significance na Songo eba on board as a communication team member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no aba amamfo ebusa na the latest person or na no ekotu mu no the former GFA Communication Director Ibrahim Sani Dara ena wakodi nkomo bi ewo Kesben TV Kesben Sports ena obusa se amanfo ti akira Ghana football it me criticize ya especially sports journalists na sports journalists no omo akwanya na omo ebeye in the helms of affairs ewo football disappointment ne de poto na ono obi obetima boni din Countryman Songo on the screen see they always see a charge Countryman eti radio so be bompanyifo achia na obisa say your friend ba say omra na o part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko management no den na or they aba on board. This is in sema Ibrahim Sani Dara ediko tuja or Kesben TV so na after that na Kotoko supporters no so I react to say asema Countryman no no kre asema there be sorry asema Sani Dara no no kre na papa ye friend no Countryman obaye no yenhye dan hu hwe apart from comedy yenhwe nsem nansa o say what has Songo brought to Kotoko since he joined the management. Football administration is not easy. Ibrahim Sani Dara. Football administration is not easy. Sitting back afar, you can criticize anyhow, but given the job, you won't have an idea of what you criticize. Example is sports journalists getting the opportunity to serve in football administration. And I can mention Songo. What has Songo brought to Kotoko since he came to Kotoko as part of the management? It's not easy, as some easy puzzle to be pushed in an empty hole. Sani Dara on Kesben Sports. Let's just say Sani Dara and Semono and Amaputo Amano. After that, Kotoko supporters nearby ever react or say, is he the CEO of Kotoko? We move. Let's just say we know Ebusa say Countryman or ye CEO of Kotoko and na Odibibiaba and a reply as a buy from Shatawaliba saying, tell us what the comedian brought to Kotoko. His tenure of office, Kotoko sold only 302 tickets. Way a promotion. Talk is cheap and kasa. And now Obaya answered by you've brought your Jimmy, sorry. He has been able to mobilize supporters of which purpose he was brought on Kotoko on board. Let's just say Kotoko is worse now. We now recall 302 at Babara. Tell me what he has brought on board. The ball free or refer to Prince or say Bunzua or defending or say if he is not the CEO, can't he bring anything on board? Why did then they appoint him in the first place? That is some commentaries are running through on this particular commenter. Thank you for listening.